Welcome back, coders. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the Maze Coding Challenge Day 1, Challenge 2. And in Challenge 2, you're asked to search the internet for a simple maze. You're going to insert the maze as a background and then code your sprite so that it can't pass through the maze. So let's jump into Scratch and let's make a new project. With our new project, let's go ahead and name it. We'll call it Day 1, Challenge 2. And we're going to share it so that when you turn it in, I'll be able to see it. Alright, so we want to choose a backdrop that is a maze from the internet. So I'm going to come over here and choose a maze and do upload. And I've already found one and saved it to my computer. So we're going to use this one. And now we have a backdrop that's a maze. Now, if we're working in vector, selecting our arrow, we can move our maze around and enlarge it and make it as big as we can. We want to make a few changes now. So I'm going to go back to bitmap, and I'm going to zoom in and slide over to the side. And I want to make sure that everything is the same color. First, I'm going to close this door off so that somebody can't simply cheat by going out the top of the maze and coming around. Oops. Now I'm going to grab my paint bucket, make sure my color is black. And see, notice if I click in the opening, it turns everything black. I'm going to go through and click on all the walls I can just to make sure that they are all the same color of black in case it came in from the computer, different shades. Because if it's different shades, the cat will not pick it up and read it properly. And you would go through and finish all of them. I'm going to stop there as a respect for your time. Next thing I want to do is make my cat small enough to fit. So let's try maybe 25%. Let's see. It's going to be too big there. Maybe 20. Still going to be a little big. Let's try 15. I think the cat at 15 will move through the maze nicely. All right, so we put it up at the starting point. And then in terms of coding it, we might need to go a little smaller, maybe 10 or something. But in terms of coding it, we're going to use the exact same code that we did in Challenge 1. So we're going to pull in the if, pressing the right key, then move x by 10. If touching black, move x by -10, and code all the way through with that code. If you haven't watched Challenge 1, you're going to want to stop and go back to do that, and that'll show you how to code it. Alright, so that shows you how to bring in a maze and how to add a sprite into it so that the sprite cannot pass through a maze that you took from the internet.